Hello and welcome to ID Care My Data Center.
Antivirus software is available for your Android device. So on your Android device, go to the Google Play Store. In the search field, type in the words Antivirus. Click the antivirus you wish to install. Always check the available reviews, as this indicates that you are installing a legitimate product. A good indicator is the star rating and the amount of downloads. After installation, click Open and proceed to follow the prompts. You will then be able to run your first full scan. You can also preset your antivirus to run regular updates for you as well as regularly scan your device.